Hello guys, if you are looking for a new smartphone on the market, your search ends right here. Allow me to introduce you to the latest DOOGEE S110 flagship grade rugged smartphone in today's video review. Its elegant design showcases impeccable craftsmanship along with the innovative secondary rear display, outstanding Helio G99 chipset, up to 22GB RAM, 110Hz fluid display, a long-lasting 10,800 mAh battery with 66 super fast charging and much more make this DOOGEE smartphone so desirable. Be sure to watch this in-depth review to learn more. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. The S110 arrives in striking, vibrant yellow packaging. Without any more delay, let's crack open the box and reveal its contents. Right on the top of the package we find the S110 phone, which we'll set aside for a moment. Now let's take a closer look at the accompanying items. Inside you will find a user manual, complete with the warranty card, an additional screen protector, and various accessories. It's worth noting that the smartphone comes with a built-in protector right out of the box. There is also this sleek black USB-C charging cable included. Last but certainly not least, we have this powerful 66-watt super fast charger capable of recharging this enormous 10,800 mAh battery housed with the S110. Now that we completely examined the box content, let's redirect our attention to the smartphone itself. The DOOGEE S110 offers a robust and solid sensation when gripped, exuding a sense of strength and resilience. Regarding its design, the rear panel of the S110 incorporates elements of Kevlar and brushed aluminum, elevating the phone's aesthetics to a premium level with delivering delightful tactile experience. It's noteworthy that aside from the black version featured in our review, this phone also comes in two additional aluminum colors, silver and gold variant. Nevertheless, we found the black model particularly appealing during our review. Now let's delve into the physical attributes of the phone. On the right side of the device there is an elegant black steel frame housing 3 buttons. 2 of these buttons are dedicated to adjust the volume, while the third button serves as both the power button and the high responsible fingerprint reader. Moving over the left side of the phone, you'll discover the SIM micro SD tray capable of accommodating either 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM along with a TF card of up to 2 TB. Additionally, you'll notice a programmable button here which can be personalized to execute various functions with the phone or for compatible applications. This button can be activated with a single click, double click or a long press. Finally, at the phone's button, you will find the USB-C charging port protected by a rubber cap that ensures the phone maintains its IP68 waterproof rating. This smartphone proudly showcases exposed screws on the sides, enhancing not only the robust appearance but also providing secure attachment points for its external components. In terms of sound, the S110 is equipped with as many of 4 speaker grills, 2 of which are located on the top of the phone, the other 2 are at the bottom, housing a pair of active speakers that deliver amazing hi-fi stereo surround sound. With the 32 megapixel front camera, we can capture crisp and vibrant selfies, making every shot a masterpiece. With the face unlock option and its excellent resolution, it will be your perfect companion in video calls and video meetings. When it comes to the display of the S110, it's not just about specifications, it's about the experience of watching content on it. This 6.58-inch FHD Plus screen with the 120Hz refresh rate truly shines when it comes to visual enjoyment. The IPS panel produces rich and vibrant colors, making everything you watch on this phone come to life. With a wide range of up to 16.7 million of colors, images and videos appear vivid and true to life. With a resolution of 2480 by 1080 pixels, the screen offers sharp and crisp visuals. The 120 Hz refresh rate ensures the motion of the screen appears smooth and fluid. This is particularly beneficial in activities like gaming, where fast-paced action requires a responsive display. Scrolling through the web pages and apps also feels incredibly smooth, enhancing the overall user experience. The Gorilla Glass 5 protection not only adds durability to the screen but also providing peace of mind. You can confidently use the phone without worrying about minor scratches or cracks. The 480 nits of brightness ensure that the screen remains visible and clear even in the challenging light conditions. Whether you are watching your favorite TV series, enjoying YouTube videos, or are into mobile gaming, the S110's display enhances your content consumption experience. The combination in size, resolution and color accuracy makes it versatile and enjoyable screen for a wide range of activities. Now let's take a look at the extra noticeable screen on the back. Like the main one, the additional screen is touch sensitive, has a round design and a diameter of 1.09 inches, so it's larger than the one on the DOOGEE S98. Otherwise, it has many of 23 different content display modes built in, so you can adjust it to your needs. You activate it with a double tap or you can sync in the main screen. On this additional screen you can display the compass, notifications, incoming call reminders, and it can also help you with photos. And as a music play control, and it also shows the battery status, the time, and you can also activate the alarm through it. Around it, in a circular shape, is exceptional camera configuration with a wonderful design. The phone houses a total of 3 cameras that include an astonishing 50 megapixel Sony primary camera sensor. This sensor captures images with unparalleled quality, showcasing remarkable levels of detail. Leveraging its advanced AI-driven post-processing capabilities, the camera consistently delivers nothing short of superb photographs. Additionally, 24 megapixel infrared night vision camera is on board for capturing footage even in the pitch black scenarios, while a 60 megapixel wide-angle camera adds a final touch to the camera setup, expanding your photography horizons. In terms of the video recording, the S110 is capable of capturing videos in 2K resolution. The infrared night vision camera can capture monochrome videos in 1080 pixel resolution. To get a feel for camera performance, check out our sample photos and videos we took using the S910. Let's kick off with the performance aspect. The DOOGEE S110 is powered with the MediaTek Helio G99 chipset. Constructed using TSMC's cutting-edge 6nm technology, it boasts advanced energy efficiency and currently stands as the fastest 4G chipset available in the market. With its octa-core architecture, it strikes an ideal balance between power efficiency and raw performance. Now, delving into the memory configuration, the S110 sets a new standard with the astonishing 12GB base RAM, and it goes even more impressive by utilizing the extended 10GB RAM feature. It can reach a huge 22GB of RAM in total, which is remarkable. In terms of storage, the DOOGEE offers an ample 256GB of rapid UFS 2.2 storage, expandable up to massive 2TB for those seeking additional storage capacity. For passionate gamers, the phone is absolutely a dream. It effortlessly takes even the most demanding games available on the Google Play Store, delivering top performance at the highest graphical settings. Thanks to a convincing hardware and innovative 7-dimensional graphene film cooling system, the DOOGEE S110 adept manages its temperature, preventing overheating during intense gaming seasons. Moreover, the phone's massive 10,800 mAh battery ensures hours of uninterrupted gaming, so if you are a gaming enthusiast who enjoys playing the latest titles, this phone delivers serious consideration. With such potential battery, you can enjoy a marathon of 18 straight hours of streaming, engage in 54 hours of calls, and listen to music continuously for an impressive 43 hours on a single charge. The bundled 66-watt charger ensures that you can charge the S110 up to 60% in just half an hour. The smartphone operates on the latest Android 13 operating system and comes equipped with all Google applications and its impressive features. Furthermore, it boasts several practical pre-installed apps, including a System Manager Optimizer and a versatile toolbox which can provide indispensable in various field scenarios. Notably, the phone supports NFC and is compatible with Google Pay for added convenience. It is even necessary to emphasize that the DOOGEE S110 proudly holds the IP68 and IP69K rating. Significantly, it is capable to withstand immersion in water up to depth 1.5 meters for the duration of 30 minutes, while also demonstrating resistance to both dust and water intrusion. Additionally, it successfully met the rigorous MIL STD 810H military standard, assessing the device resilience in exceptionally harsh environments. We can conclude that the DOOGEE S110 boasts great cameras, dual high-resolution stereo sound speakers, along with the innovative secondary rear display, outstanding Helio G99 chipset, up to 22GB RAM, 120Hz fluid display, and a long-lasting 10,800 mAh battery, large battery with a 66 super fast charging that can withstand up to 4 days in use, and its innovative rear display brings a more convenient outdoor operating experience. With this impressive array of features, DOOGEE has masterfully designed a smartphone that excels in a rugged environment without compromising on usability. If you are interested in purchasing this S110, and I'm sure you are, official sales links are available below the video. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of the promotional pricing available now, so hurry up and order yourself your new DOOGEE S110 today while there is a chance, because quantities are limited. That's all for now, see you soon in the next video review, bye.